Why did I just get a message? Chat. Why did I just get a DM from McDonald's? Hey, Steak. We got a special deal for you today. If you join this server, we will give you free burger and a strawberry elephant. Free strawberry elephant and burgers. Steel Brain our private server. No, don't do it. It's a trap, bro. You guys are softies, bro. All right, let me join. All right. Free food. Yo, chat, who doesn't like free food, man? Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Who doesn't like free food? Yo. Hello there, sir. Hey, Steak. We have cooked up a special burger for you today. Hi, everybody. Hey, Steak. I know you want to eat me. Welcome. Thank you, guys. Do you guys have gift cards for me or something? What's going on here? In order to eat, follow me to my base. Okay. Where's the gift card, bro? Lock your base. Oh. No!